Vivo launched its new V series phone in Peru called Vivo V30 SE with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V30 SE features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo V30 SE sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup under rectangular module at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 16-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes dual stereo speakers powered by high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't mentioned the pricing details of this phone at the moment, but it is expected to be priced around 900 soles. The smartphone will be available for purchase in violet leather and crystal black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V30 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.